Let me show you how to use AI to boost your company's marketing. Now, wouldn't it be great if an AI agent could investigate your specific company, your website, and give you tips and insights on how to make it better, gaps in your marketing, how to boost your marketing, all of that. There is a great service. My partner SEMrush came out with SEMrush 1. All you need to do is tap on the link in the description. I'll just click on it here, and you'll be able to see one solution to win every search, and you can try it for free for 7 days. Now, I'll show you how it works and why it's so powerful for your brand. Now, on here, if you just go to SEMrush and you sign up, at the top left here, you're going to want to go down to AI visibility. And then a great tool is brand performance on here. Now, within brand performance, you're going to enter in your website or your brand. In my case, I just used a local nursery here called Plant Delights. Now, what you'll see immediately is it says, okay, plantdelights.com, and it has a couple competitors on here that it automatically pulls. Now, the cool thing is that if you scroll through these insights and the sentiments, I can go over these in another video, and you should take some time looking through these. But if you want to get an idea of how to boost your marketing, you can scroll down a little bit and you can see key business drivers. And you can see on here, it'll have the little medal icon where your company is doing a great job for that specific marketing niche. And then it'll have a medal on other companies like here and here, where other companies are doing a bit better job. So you can see proven winners here is a high competitor, and you can see they're doing a great job with performance and introductions. It says in-house trialing and introductions, signal reliability, support higher price realizations. And I can keep scrolling down and seeing other things as well. Packaging and live arrival reliability. And I can tap on the little question to basically see a bit more about that specific item and why a competitor of mine is doing a better job of that item than I might be doing on my company. These are great tips to be able to boost your marketing and to be able to identify some gaps within your overall product or service that you're providing. Now, let's scroll down a little bit, and towards the bottom is a great option. It says AI strategic opportunities. Now you can go down to the urgent time frame, and on here, and it says proven winners and others lead trialed performance and introductions, while Plant Delights trials are underpackaged for media and AI reuse. You can publish standardized scorecards for heat, humidity, mildew resistance, etc. And then you can also pilot a West Coast dispatch if you wanted to have a dispatch closer to a specific hub where a lot of people are buying your specific plants so that they'll get them, they'll be fresher, they'll be less wilted after going through the mail, all of that stuff. Now you can see all of these various things that it recommends that you can do to help boost your visibility within AI, but also within your customer base and the overall experience as people are buying your product. Now, it says it would be great if you have zones in terms of plants for a specific zone. I could say, hey, I live in zone 7A. I want just plants for that specific zone that will be hardy and drought tolerant, etc. So this is a great option for your business. Sign up for it, see if you like it. You have it basically for that 7 days. If you like it and it helps move the needle on your company, then you can always pay for it down the road.